Hello teachers and to all who are watching our channel. So I know that you are busy now in preparing your first periodic test. So for now, our video is all about how to create a periodic test and what are the things that you have to attach. So especially this one is for those who are beginners or who needs assistance in terms of making it. So as you can see here, by the way teachers, this is for elementary grade 6 and this is for first periodic test in all the subjects. So I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so if you are going to make a periodic test, right, you are going to consider the table of specification, or you should make a table of specification. So gaya po na nakikita nyo sa screen, itong ating table of specification, ang parts nito is we have here the learning competencies, the actual instructional days, the weight or percent of the items, the questions. Then we have here the revised Bloom's taxonomy, alam niyo na po yan. Then you are going to write here the learning competencies covered for a particular grade. So since grade 6 tayo and then quarter 1 tayo, so ito po ay nasa most essential learning competencies pa. Meron pa po ito, so konti lang yung learning competencies na nakalagay, but then medyo broad itong topic, kaya medyo ang laman ng questions dito madami. So ilalagay nyo po dyan yung learning competency, the actual instruction days, the weight, then total number of items. So ito po lahat, kung ilan to lahat, so 34 yan, 34, at kung saan siya nag-fall na skill, either in remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating. So kadalasan wala naman po tayo sa creating. So sa revised Bloom's taxonomy po yan, and yan po ang napakahalagang kailangan when you are going to make a test. Then the second competency, then sa baba po yung total. So magbigay tayo ng sample if ever for you to see the sample questions na kabilang sa ating Science 6. Okay, so pakicheck na lang po dyan yung questions, i-browse po natin. So gagawa kayo ng questions. Okay, then second page, so nababasa naman po yan, I hope so. Then we have also here the third page. If ever may gusto pala kayo ditong questions, pwede nyo po dyang kunin or gamitin din po sa inyong sample test. So ito po at pala ay meron na din siyang answer keys, kasi pag gumagawa tayo dapat meron din tayong answer keys. Ayan po. So huwag natin ipakita lahat. Okay, so yan. So magbigay tayo ng sample. For example, number 1, what is formed of if sugar is mixed with water? Number 2, from what mixture? Number 3, mixed soy sauce. So if you can see here, kung makikita nyo naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost on mixture. So tingnan natin sa table of specification sa science na nilagay natin kung tama ba siya or tama ba siya. So halos doon sa 1 to 8, this is all about describing the appearance and uses of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So pasok siya doon. Nandun naman siya nag-fall sa types of mixtures. Kuha tayo naman sa number 44 and 45 if this falls about the techniques in separating mixture. Number 44 and 45. So doon tayo sa malayo. Yan, 44 and 45. Magnets pull other objects made of magnetic materials. Then 45, this is a process of separating mixture. So as you can see, this is really about techniques in separating mixtures. So ganyan po siya. Uulitin nyo lang po yan sa lahat ng mga magagawa nyong mga questions hanggang makaabot kayo ng 50. So kadalasan sa grade 6, 50 item test po yan, multiple choice test. So yan po yung paggawa ng periodic test. Sa mga gagawa po dyan, Yan lang po ang kailangan nyo gawin. Tapos, the set of questions, answer keys, and then sa baba po, lagay nyo lang dito, prepared by, and then ang inyong principal. Okay, so yan po. If ever, I will put the sample of the soft copy na lang po sa description nitong video. I-download nyo lang po. That's all po sa ating video ngayon. I hope nakatulong po tayo.